ccmixter.org.
There you go.
Drum beats and guitar riffs to the World Wide Web, from one countryside to the next. It's an international